Hello everyone, this is Alarm System Tech here, and today I'm going to be demonstrating all of the pre-recorded messages on my Wheelock Safepath SP40S voice evacuation control panel. So go ahead and open up the panel here. Now, two things I want to mention before I start this demonstration is that one, these bottom two messages were never actually programmed when I got this panel, so when you push them, they don't really do anything except a little bit of static noise. So that's a little unfortunate. However, all of these top 6 messages are, I guess, custom made. It was recorded specifically for a certain job site when this panel was installed. Not sure where it would have been installed, but it's pretty cool. And then also the pre-tones on this system can be enabled. I have all of them disabled because what they did when they recorded these messages was they actually made their own tone, if that makes any sense. So what they did was they took the sound file along with the voice and they made that just one big file when they recorded these messages. So I can't override or do anything different unless I completely record over the entire message completely. So just thought I'd let you guys know for anyone who's curious. So we'll go ahead and start by testing the first message on the system.
Messaging system has been activated. Please stand by for further instructions.
Right, we'll test the second message, which is the standard emergency message.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? An emergency has been reported in the building. Please exit the building in a calm manner and report to your designated meeting location for roll call.
As you can see, that one I do have the ability on this panel. You do have the ability to make it so that, if you want these 3 messages to make the strobe activate, you can do that, and the rest of them, not have it activate. All it is just a couple of dip switch settings on the inside of this panel. So the only one I have it set to activate the strobe is the emergency message, since it's an evac message. So we'll go ahead and test the third message, which is the severe weather.
May I have your attention, please? The National Weather Service has issued a severe weather warning for our area. Please report to your severe weather area now.
Alright, we'll test the fourth message, which is the all clear message.
May I have your attention, please? The building emergency has ended. Please resume normal activities. Thank you.
Alright, fifth message.
Due to circumstances beyond our control, some areas of the building have been asked to temporarily evacuate their areas. You will be informed if your area requires evacuation. Please stand by for further instructions. Thank you.
And the sixth and final message here was programmed to only be the horn tone, or the temporal 3 tone. They didn't choose to put a message after it, so we'll go ahead and demonstrate that. And that's pretty much it for all the messages on here. We'll go ahead and demonstrate the microphone for this video. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. And I do have the microphone programmed to, when you key it up, it activates the strobe. That's also a dip switch setting that is offered in this panel. So if you don't want any strobe to activate, just push all the dip switches down, and then you won't have them activate. But if you want, all your messages plus the microphone or custom, you can have it certain messages activate the strobe and certain messages to not activate the strobe. So pretty cool how you can do that. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.